Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vig and I'm here to give you a new moon special pick a card reading today. All you need to do to receive your reading is choose from the number 1 or this crystal Buddha, or you can choose the number 2 or this glass pendulum. So, to receive your reading, you just need to choose between the numbers 1 and 2. And now I'm going to begin your new moon special pick a card reading. So, for those who have chosen the number 1 or the crystal Buddha, the message that I am getting for you are like very good. Okay, so the first card is saying that trust the universe. I feel that maybe your faith has been tested a lot recently, if especially if you're an air sign, that is if you're a Gemini, if you're a Libra, if you're an Aquarius, then I think that this new moon is especially going to be impacting you a lot, because this new moon is in the sign of Gemini. And I do feel that the universe is telling you that, so this card came out reversed. The universe is telling you that all your negative patterns are going to be cut very soon, or they're already been cut. That's why you have been going through testing times, through difficult times. I also sense that you are going to be beginning something new, or there is going to be a new beginning in your life very soon. This could be professionally, this could be romantically, this could be maybe you just taking a step out of your comfort zone, trying something new, trying some new hobby, maybe some changing something small in your routine. And I think that if you have already done that, or if you're thinking about it, then take this as a sign that yes, you should go for this. The last message that I am just sensing is that some traveling could be coming your way very soon. If you have been manifesting that, I do feel that traveling is on its way for you. So I hope you could relate to the reading, and let's move on to number 2 or the crystal pendulum. So for those who have chosen the number 2, I am getting that abundance is definitely on its way for you. If you have been worrying about money, or if you have been worrying about not having enough, the universe is reassuring you that very soon there are going to be new opportunities coming your way. I'm also getting practice gratitude. I feel that if you have been feeling very low, or if you have been feeling that the universe has not been there for you, then you should make a list of things that you have already achieved. I feel that you should celebrate where you already are to manifest where you want to go next. Okay, the number 3 also is coming to my mind very strongly. I don't know if maybe there's a connection with you and this number. So I hope that you could relate to this reading today, and thank you so much for watching.